In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up bulk redirects in Cloudflare. By the end, you'll know how to create a redirect list, set the right options, and deploy it so it starts working across your site. First, log into your Cloudflare dashboard. From the sidebar or your account home, open Bulk Redirects. This is where you'll manage lists of redirects that Cloudflare can apply at the edge, which is great for site migrations, URL cleanups, or consolidating old paths. Under Bulk Redirect Lists, click Create Bulk Redirect List. Give your list a clear name and description so you and your team can recognize its purpose later. For example, you might name it something like Legacy Blog Redirects, with a short note about the source system or date. Now, you can add redirects in two ways. If you have a lot of entries, import from CSV is the fastest. Prepare a CSV with columns for the source URL, the target URL, and the status code. The status code is typically 301 for permanent redirects or 302 for temporary ones. Make sure your URLs include the protocol, like HTTPS/, and double-check for trailing slashes if that matters to your structure. If you only have a handful, choose Add Redirects manually and enter each source URL, target URL, and status code right in the interface. Expand edit parameters if you need more control. Include subdomains is helpful when you want redirects to apply to variations like blog, example.com, as well as www.example.com. Subpath matching lets a single entry handle a whole branch of URLs, so everything under a path can be redirected consistently. Use these options thoughtfully to avoid unintended matches. After importing or typing your redirects, click Next. You'll see a review screen. Take a moment to scan for typos, missing status codes, or incorrect protocols. Then click Next again. Choose Continue to Redirect Rules to wire this list into a live rule. Now create the bulk redirect rule. Enter a clear rule name, such as Redirects List Rule, so it's easy to identify later. Select the bulk redirect list you just created from the drop-down. When everything looks correct, click Save and Deploy. That's it. The rule is now active, and Cloudflare will begin applying your redirects. If something isn't behaving as expected, you can return to the list to edit entries or adjust parameters. Changes typically take effect quickly. With this setup, you've got a scalable, maintainable way to manage redirects without touching your origin server.